typical holiday, all about family, friends, and the thrill of getting to be someone else for a day.
Thrill, excitement. I hope you're thrilled to be here, but I doubt you are.
Holiday, all about family, friends, and the thrill of getting to be someone else for a day. Mom's been weird since Uncle Pietro got here. I think it's because she hasn't seen him in a long time, and he's what you call a man-child.
Man-child, an adult who acts like a child. My wife thinks I'm a man-child, and she's right.
And he's what you call a man-child.
Thank you for humoring me and wearing this ridiculous get-up, honey.
Well, there were no other clothes in my closet.
Get up, when referring to clothes, means a costume or an outfit. Everyone will laugh if you wear that get up.
Thank you for humoring me and wearing this ridiculous get-up.
Oh, you have fun tonight, darling?
What? What do you mean? You're all dressed and ready to go.
I'm undercover.
Undercover, working or doing something in secret. The policeman was undercover when he caught the criminal.
I'm undercover.